I moved to Norway in January 2025, but before that I had visited the country many times. These are 5 things that surprised me most. First of all, Norway has a lot of rules, regulations, and laws, and people love to follow them. I live in a building with 8 apartments, and believe me or not, there is a rule for this specific building telling whether you can have air conditioning at your house or not. The building in front of us, it's bigger, there are more apartments, and they have an interesting rule. You are not allowed to put other than white curtains. You can't put red, you can't put blue, you can't put green, because it will destroy the facade of the building. This was very interesting for me because Norwegians believe that you are living in a society and your comfort shouldn't destroy the comfort of other people. If you want the surrounding to look good, then you have to follow specific rules, including having air conditioning or not, or having white or black curtains. And these are not the only rules that surprised me, but also rules on when and how the snow should be cleaned, or when and how you have to cut your grass in your garden, and what time it should be and how often it should be. I'm also teaching at a Norwegian high school, and there are so many other rules that surprise me also. For example, the understanding of the teachers that they present school as not a mandatory thing, but as a place where students want to come by their own and also study. This is totally different from what I have seen in other countries, and believe me, I lived and studied in many countries, including Hungary, Russia, Tajikistan, Turkey, Malaysia, Germany, where you somehow have to come to school. Even if you hate your teachers, even if you hate your schools, your classes, you have to be there and you can't do anything about it. The second thing is about skiing. Norway is quite cold country and there is a lot of snow, of course, and people ski a lot in winter, and especially for Easter. They have specific house separate from their apartment and houses where they live, and they travel there. It's mostly in the village or remote area. Sometimes it doesn't have electricity, internet or water, because they want to become more primitive and cut off themselves from the life to have some rest, and they go for skiing at the same time. But it is normal to ski in winter, right? I mean, it's not something surprising, but I have seen that people love skiing so much that there are specific equipment that I saw only in Norway, people using to ski in summer on the roads. It looks approximately like this, and you can see it everywhere in the country during summers. The third thing is the nation in general is very healthy and with quite strong immune system. It's very cold here, believe me, and it's super cold for me because I was born and raised in quite warm country. But people here, for example, if it is 5-6 degrees, they can just go out with t-shirts. And I'm shocked, including, for example, my husband, while I'm wearing 6-5 layers. And that is because, first of all, they are in general very active. They are going out so much. If they have a chance, they will go for hiking, they will go for walking. Everyone has specific sport outfit which they use every single day to walk. They go to different sports, and of course the air is super clean here. The water is one of the best water in the world, and believe me or not, if you have a chance to travel to Norway and try the tap water, you will be super surprised how tasty water can be. And the most surprising things for me was that they put babies outside in winter in their strollers to sleep. When you are in big cities, for example, like Oslo, you can see that parents are sitting inside the cafe and babies are outside in the strollers sleeping. This was something amazing, and I believe that it's because, of course, this action will bring to the better health and strong immune system, and when you grow up you are not afraid of coldness as I am, for example. And at the same time, it brings to the second point that surprised me a lot. People trust each other a lot. They trust the government, they trust the system, and they know that even if they put their babies outside, nothing will happen to them. And you can put your phone, you can put your bags, you can put your belongings anywhere and nobody will actually take it and touch it. Me coming from a developing world, seeing this was something mind-blowing because I was not used to such things. And for example, when you're walking somewhere, you can see unmanned shops open where you can go and get, for example, freshly picked strawberries or meat or milk or eggs, and there is a note where you can transfer their money. There is nobody to control you, and they put so much in your conscious and put on you to be responsible for your actions that you are not even interested to steal or cheat, but just take it and pay. The final thing is about nature. In general, Norway is very obsessed, I would say very busy with preserving nature, and it's a great thing. The country is quite green and you can see it's everywhere, and people are very conscious. If we see, for example, some trash outside, we 100% know that Norwegians themselves never throw trash outside because they are very, very obsessed with the nature and preserving nature. Because if, for example, we are traveling somewhere around the country and we see some trash outside, for example in Oslo, we 100% know that it can't be Norwegian who did it, but foreigners or tourists, because it is not acceptable for a Norwegian to just trash the nature or to just throw the bottle outside. And this brings to the point that cities and country in general is very, very clean. You will not see trash at all. If you travel to Oslo, of course you would, because Oslo has a lot of tourists who come from different countries, and of course not everywhere you are taught not to throw trash, and not everyone thinks about how important it is to not throw trash outside. But in other cities, for example, where I live, you can't see anything outside. Anything. And this is a great thing to experience actually. If you are planning to visit Norway, please remember these rules, because it's very important not to put trash outside because it's not acceptable in this country. I'm planning to have more videos of my experience living in Norway, and please let me know in the comments if you are interested in that, and see you in my next videos.